Hello, YouTube fans. This is Nook Hashka, and this is Lily Hashka, my daughter. She's going to be helping me cook today. What are we making, Lily?
We're gonna make bamboo shoot soup.
Let's show you what we are going to be using. We have 3 pounds of bamboo shoots. We are going to slice these into small pieces. We have pork riblets, soaked rice, and chili peppers. Shiitake mushrooms. This is squash. It doesn't look too nice. The store doesn't have fresher ones, but I took what they had. And this is
Enoke mushrooms.
enoke mushrooms, and this is yanang. Oh, kanyang, I'm sorry. And then we have yanang, okay, already ready made. So what are you going to go do first?
Probably cut up those bamboo shoots.
Good. Okay, slicing the bamboo shoots. You see, Lily, this is how you do it.
Yeah.
Okay. You think you can take over?
I think I can try.
Okay, you can try.
I'm not very good at cooking or slicing.
You start someplace.
You do it so fast.
Well, that's because I've been cooking for you since you were born. Okay, well, that's good. And why don't you put it over here and then you do the next one? It's a little watery.
I don't know how you go so fast.
That's okay. Just keep on going. You are doing a great job. First time cooking. Can you make it a little thinner? Very good. Okay. Now next one. Why do you like keng so much, Lily?
I don't know why I like it so much. I like how spicy it is. I just like the taste of bamboo. I don't know. I think it's because you probably made it a lot when I was younger, so it's just something that I grew up around and
usually Americans don't like. You're an American, of course. usually Americans don't like eating keng. Even Papa doesn't like it. He doesn't like the taste of yanang.
I'm half Asian, so I have to like at least some Asian food, otherwise there'd be something wrong with me. Don't you think?
I'm sure. You're doing a good job.
Some of them are kind of thick.
That's okay. Then you get to eat thick bamboo shoots.
I kind of like when they're thicker though. So.
You think so? Don't you like thin?
I don't know.
Okay, Lily, the next step is you're going to put the cut bamboo shoots in here in the pot, in the wok. And then we are going to put some water in it and then boil it.
All right.
You like cooking?
So far, it's pretty fun.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Then we'll put a little water in it and then put it in the on the stove.
Okay.
What are we doing now, Lily?
We're gonna be cutting up some of these vegetables.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to cut it and then you do the rest, okay?
Okay.
All right, so first you cut in half. You like big pieces or small pieces?
I like big pieces.
Okay, then we're going to quarter it, okay? Just like that.
Oh, that's easy.
Yeah, okay, now you do the rest. Easy peasy. Another way to do it, you can do it this way.
Okay.
Yeah.
It seems a little bit.
See, that way it's not moving so much. Very good. There you go. Wow, Lily is going to be able to make it on your own, Lily.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the goal.
I'm looking forward to coming over to your house and eat keng nhng with you.
Yeah, that'll be fun.
Yeah. Lily is going to slice the squash now.
I think I know how to do this because it's like cutting up cucumbers almost, and I do that quite often. When I do make food for myself, I cut up cucumbers.
You slice cucumbers. Well, you know, this thing looks like a cucumber.
It does. I kind of have these skills already. It's not too hard. I just don't know how you chop so fast.
Well, Lily, I cook a lot. You know, I entertain a lot and I cook a lot for everybody all the time.
My boyfriend cooks for me.
You're lucky. You're lucky. Okay, now Lily is going to cut the kanyang. Okay, good job. Alrighty, and you can put it back over here. Yeah.
Does this look like it's ready to be done?
Yep, it is done. It is ready.
Okay.
So it's been boiling for what? For 10 minutes, right?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. So what are we going to do next?
I think we're going to strain it, and then we're going to move on to searing the pork next.
Sounds good. Okay. Okay, Lily, you can put the pork in here. Thank you. So what are we doing, Lily?
We're searing the pork real quick without any oil or anything, just on the hot pan that we boiled the bamboo in.
Okay, look at this. This is a wok that I just bought this wok this week, and look at the bottom of it. It's kind of cool. Look at that. It's smooth and it cooks very fast.
Does it let you know when it's hot when it does that?
I don't know. It is like this though.
Oh,
yeah,
cool.
But it cooks really fast. You see that?
Yeah.
Normally with the other pots it takes longer, but this is pretty fast.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm adding the bamboo into the pot. Oh, Lily is supposed to be cooking. Lily, why don't you do it?
The whole thing?
Yep. Very good. And now we are going to add these vegetables, Lily.
Okay.
Except this goes last, okay?
All right.
You can put this in the pot right away. Lily looks like a pro.
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Professional chef.
Yep. So you can put the mushrooms in the soup.
Just gonna throw.
This will go last.
Alright. So the mom said that this needed some more water, so I'm just gonna add a little bit into the pot over here.
You like the soup, right? Really?
Yeah.
Yeah. So that's probably
maybe add a little bit more.
Maybe a little bit more. Yeah. Perfect. Okay, so what are you going to do next, Lily?
So I'm going to add this into a blender.
Uh-huh.
And then once it's all in here, I'm going to add some water. Oops.
Uh-huh. That's okay. You like that much chilies? Isn't that too much for you, or it's
Oh, I like a lot of chili pepper in it.
It's clean. I can put it.
I think the spicier, the better.
You think so?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like it spicy too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's what makes it good. When other people make it, they don't make it spicy enough.
Well, you know why?
But I like the way my mom makes it.
Yeah. Well, thank you, Lily. You know why though, right? Because a lot of people can't eat spicy food, but you can.
Yeah.
You and Dylan loves. Dylan is Lily's brother, older brother. He loves spicy food, and Lily does too.
Yep.
Okay. So now you're going to put some water.
All right.
And you're going to Nutri-Bullet it. Wow, Lily looks like a pro.
It's gonna be loud.
Okay, I think that's good. Perfect. Okay, Lily, looks like this soup is ready.
All right.
So why don't you add nampa, fish sauce.
All right, you tell me how much to put in.
Yeah, go ahead. Make sure you squirt it in
am.
the middle.
Is that good?
A little bit more. Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good.
All right.
And then shake it first. Shake that first. Okay. What is this?
Another fish sauce.
Fermented fish sauce or
Pate.
pate, your favorite.
All right.
Okay.
How much
Yeah.
for this?
Here, do it this way. Oh, well, yeah. Okay, that's good. All right. Perfect. And next, you know what?
We're gonna put
Not
this.
yet.
Oh.
We're going to do
yeah.
this first. Yeah. Okay. Now you stir it first. Okay.
And pour it
Stir
in.
and pour it in. Yep. Good job, Lily. Perfect. Yep. Get all of that. That's going to thicken the soup. Do you like a little bit more soup, or this is okay?
I think that should be good.
Why don't you put some water in it? Just a little bit, and then, yeah, that's good. That's good. I think that's good, don't you?
Yeah.
So we are going to let it cook for until the rice is cooked, until the rice is done. And now the way we know it is when the soup is getting thick, Lily.
Okay.
See, it's getting nicely thick.
Sounds good.
You want to taste it?
Sure.
You want to go get 2 spoons, please? Okay, so let's taste it, huh?
That's good so far.
Oh, you're dropping it. I think it needs more fish sauce.
This one?
Mm-hmm. More. That's good. You know what it doesn't have, Lily?
What?
MSG.
You want to add some?
A little bit.
Okay.
You
Let me go
okay
grab
with
it.
that?
Yeah.
It's in the cabinet. Oh, that's good. That's good. Wow, Lily, look at that. It's very nice and thick.
Yeah.
It smells delicious.
That's good.
You want to grab the cayenne and put it in? Oh, there is one piece
That's
of,
okay.
yeah, you can put it in. It's a little too thick, Lily. You want to get some water,
Yep.
a bowl of water. It smells really good. Just pour it in.
Is this enough?
A little by little. More. I think that's good. Unless you want a lot of soup.
I'll put a little bit more.
Okay.
I like the soup.
Okay, put all of it then. I like the soup too. Can you look over here? We're going to taste the soup.
Right.
Oh my goodness.
You dropped it again.
Dripping again. It's perfect. It's perfect. The soup is amazingly good. You like it, Lily?
Yeah, I like it.
It's really good, isn't it?
Right now we're cooking the rice to eat with our gang nhng. It's being steamed right now. Ready to eat soon. Mom is separating up the rice.
Oops.
And now she's gonna put it into the basket when she's done.
Then we're going to eat it with gang nhng. Oh, it's hot. This is Lily's favorite food, sticky rice and gang nhng. Isn't it, Lily?
It is my favorite. It's not many people's favorite, but it's definitely mine.
It's yours.
People don't like it because it's kind of stinky. Stinky and spicy.
Oopsie. Oh my goodness. Wait. Okay. Here we go. Sticky rice is cooked. Okay, Lily, be honest. Did you like cooking with me?
I did. It was a lot of fun.
Yeah.
I'm excited to eat.
Okay. Well, should we taste it?
Yes.
Or should we have our soup?
Yeah, we should taste
And
it with a little bit of rice.
taste or eat it with sticky rice.
All right.
Okay. Let's see now.
I like to dip mine.
You know, I don't like dipping. I like eating it like this. It's really good, Lily.
Mm-hmm.
Well,
It's just how I like it.
it's dinner time.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it's good. Very, very good.
Mm-hmm.
I'm so proud of Lily for helping me cook today.
Yep.
Now she's going to be able to make gang nhng all by herself.
Yep.
And if she needs help, she's going to call mommy.
Yes,
Right?
always.
Okay. Well, one thing left to do. Cheers.
Cheers.
Thank you, Lily, for helping me.
Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my mom's YouTube channel. Thank you.
Thank you for watching.